you ever just frozen up in the middle of a German conversation? You know exactly what I mean. You're at the bakery or trying to chat with a colleague, and instead of a nice flowing back and forth, you just spit out these robotic one-word answers. A stiff ja, a sudden nein, or just gut. Well, in this explainer, we're going to fix that. We're mastering German small talk and bridging that incredibly frustrating gap between an absolute beginner A1 level and a genuinely conversational A2 level. Get ready, because we are about to unlock your new conversational superpower. So, why is German small talk so intimidating in the first place? Look, it's completely normal to feel frustrated. You want to sound natural, but you just can't find the rhythm. You've got the vocabulary floating around in your head, but actually stringing it together feels like trying to solve a complex math equation in real time. Well, today, we're conquering that hurdle. We're going to completely transform how you speak using 3 specific, highly effective tools that prove German grammar is actually just a highly predictable game. Here's our roadmap for this explainer. 1. The small talk secret. 2. The big 3 connectors. 3. The golden fast roll. 4. See it in action. 5. Master speaking and writing. And finally, 6. Your next learning steps. Let's jump right in.
All right, section 1, the small talk secret. Let's uncover exactly how to jump from that rigid A1 level to a conversational A2.
Think about your typical A1 interaction. Someone asks, "Wie geht's?" and you just say, "Good." I mean, let's be honest, that's a total conversation killer. There is literally nowhere for the other person to go with that. But look at what happens when you simply add a short reason. Good, weil ich heute frei habe. Good, because I have the day off today. Suddenly, you've transformed a robotic response into a natural, friendly invitation for more conversation. Adding that simple why is the absolute secret to sounding instantly more fluent. Moving on to section 2, the big 3 connectors. Let's look at the actual grammatical tools that make these fluid sentences possible. We're talking about Weil, Deshalb, and Denn. Our very first tool is Weil, which means because. Think of Weil as a really bossy magnet. It literally forces your conjugated verb all the way to the very end of the sentence. So in the phrase, ich lerne Deutsch, weil ich in Deutschland arbeiten möchte, that verb, möchte, gets kicked right to the finish line. You state your main sentence, drop in Weil, add your subject, and boom, send that verb to the very end. Next up is Deshalb, meaning therefore. Now, this connector usually starts a brand new sentence, and it loves the spotlight. It demands immediate attention by pulling the verb right next to it. Es ist kalt. Deshalb trage ich eine Jacke. See how the verb trage jumps in right after Deshalb? It beautifully links cause and effect across 2 short, clear thoughts. Finally, we have Denn, which is just another word for because. Honestly, this one is a beginner's best friend. It simply bridges 2 main clauses without messing with your word order at all. Ich trinke Tee, denn Kaffee ist mir zu stark. Subject, verb, and the rest. No mental gymnastics required. It stays incredibly straightforward. Okay, section 3, the golden fast rule. Let's lock these mechanics into your brain so you don't even have to think about them in the moment. Seriously, take a mental snapshot of this cheat sheet right here. This is the heartbeat of the whole lesson. Just remember, Weil equals verb at the end. Deshalb equals verb right after. And Denn equals normal word order. Master this little grid and you've completely mastered A2 small talk. It really is that predictable. Let's move to section 4, see it in action. Time to immediately put this to the test. Take a look at these 3 incomplete sentences. I'm going to pause for just a split second. Based on whether we use Weil, Deshalb, or Denn, think about where the verb belongs to finish each thought. Got it? Okay, let's check your instincts. For the first one, because we used Weil, the verb bin goes all the way to the end. Weil ich müde bin. For the second, Deshalb pulls nehme right up front. Deshalb nehme ich einen Schirm mit. And for the third, Denn lets möchte stay comfortably in its normal spot. Denn ich möchte alles verstehen. Did you catch all of them? Section 5, master speaking and writing. Let's see how these single sentences build into full, confident conversations. When you need to speak at an A2 level, just lean on this exact 6-step architectural structure. You start with an intro, share personal background, mention work or study, talk about family, touch on hobbies, and do a quick wrap-up. By plugging our new connectors into this predictable scaffold, you'll completely eliminate your speaking anxiety. You'll sound incredibly organized, and you won't be frantically searching for words. Just listen to how mature this sounds in practice. Ich lerne Deutsch, weil ich in Deutschland arbeiten möchte. Ich lese auch gern, denn lesen ist interessant. Heute ist das Wetter schön, deshalb bin ich gut drauf. This model highlights perfectly how combining our three connectors creates a dynamic personal story. It goes way beyond absolute beginner German because you are seamlessly sharing your motivations and feelings.
And guess what? This exact same scaffolded complexity applies to writing too. You just adapt the structure a bit. You want a greeting, your reason for writing, a main body about your life, some questions for the recipient, and a nice, warm closing.
Look at this excerpt from Ama's letter. You can clearly see the rules working their magic. Deshalb steps in and pulls gehe right to the front, and then maintains the normal structure with sie helfen. It makes the writing feel incredibly natural and puts you firmly in control of the narrative.
Finally, Section 6, your next learning steps. Let's look at how you can apply this today to make sure it really sticks.
Before you record your next small talk practice or write a letter to your friend, run through this rapid-fire self-check. Did you kick the verb to the end with Weil? Did you pull it forward with deshalb? Did you give at least one reason and ask one question? This checklist is your ultimate guide to A2 success, and it pretty much guarantees your grammar is flawless every single time. If you want to keep practicing German every single day with structured lessons, writing support, and actual progress tracking, the Falowen Learning Hub is your absolute go-to resource. Brought to you by the Learn Language Education Academy, this platform exists to build real confidence, whether it's for your studies, your career, or your travels, guiding you step-by-step from A1 all the way to C1.
Before we wrap up this explainer, I have a challenge for you. Was machst du heute? What are you doing today? I want you to answer this out loud right now and force yourself to start your reasoning with either weil or denn. What reason are you going to give to show off your brand new conversational superpower? Keep practicing and you won't just learn German, you'll completely own it.